So in today's The Hindu newspaper, we have a very important article, and that article is related to Veer Savarkar ji. So today we are going to understand about this historical figure related to modern Indian history, Veer Savarkar ji. Who was Veer Savarkar and what was his contributions when it comes to modern Indian history? जब हम modern Indian history की बात करते हैं तो वीर सावरकर का क्या contribution रहा है and what were the different organizations that he co-founded and established during the modern Indian history during the national freedom struggle. And why is he known as Hindutva biggest ideologue in modern Indian history? We are going to understand this historian. We are going to understand his life struggle. We are going to understand why he was a strident critic of both Gandhiji and Nehruji. And we are going to re-evaluate the details of this highly polarizing figure Veer Savarkar. I hope you will make notes. आप notes बनाते रहिएगा, ठीक है, ताकि आपको प्रीलिम्स में हेल्प मिले because it is going to be really important for your upcoming preliminary examination. Now when we talk about Veer Savarkar ji, he was born on 28th of May in 1833 in a village Bhagur near Nashik in Maharashtra. ओके तो भागुर नाम का एक गांव था नासिक के पास महाराष्ट्र में जहां 28 मई 1833 को वीर सावरकर जी का जन्म होता है. ही वॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज स्वतंत्र वीर सावरकर. Now, he founded the secret society which is known as Abhinav Bharat Society. This is really important. They can give you the name of the society in prelims, then they will ask you who was the founder of this society. तो आपको point याद रखना है ये कि सोसाइटी के अभिनव भारत सोसाइटी के फाउंडर कौन थे? वीर सावरकर जी फाउंडर थे, जिनको स्वतंत्रता वीर सावरकर भी कहा जाता है. He went to UK, United Kingdom also. And there he was involved with different organizations like Free India Society, India House, in order to instill the feelings of nationalism in the minds of the Indians which were living there. Okay, so he was an Indian independence activist, he was a writer, he was a politician, he was also a lawyer by profession. Now another important fact about him was that he was involved in the formation of Hindu Mahasabha. And in the Hindu Mahasabha, he was the president of this organization from 1937 to 1943. Now it is said that V.D. Savarkar ji or Veer Damodar Savarkar ji, he wrote a book which was named as The History of War of Indian Independence. In this book, he wrote about the guerrilla warfare techniques which were used in the Indian 1857 revolt of Sepoy Mutiny. He also wrote another book with the name Hindutva, who is Hindu. He was a very important pioneer in the Hindutva philosophy, in the Hindutva ideology. And he was arrested in 1909 on charges of plotting an armed revolt against the Morley Minto reform, or we can call it Indian Council Act 1909. He was also arrested the next year, that is in 1910, for his connections with the revolutionary group India House. There was a revolutionary group. The group's name was, write it down, it was India House. And he was plotting he was planning a revolt against the Britishers with this group, and that is why he was arrested in 1910. Now, he was not considered by the British government as a political prisoner when he was arrested. Now, he died on 26th Feb 1966 because of fasting. He fasted till death, that was his own wish, and because of that he died. Now, there are different other philosophies and ideologies that we should study about when it comes to V.D. Savarkar ji. Before we move any forward, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched Mission All India Rank 1 360-degree coverage batch for UPSC CSE Mains 2021. So if you are preparing for 2021 or 2022 or 23 examination, here on Unacademy, we are covering mains from the perspective of UPSC CSE. We are covering the entire syllabus of mains with a view of creating an All India Rank 1 amongst you. Now here we have the mains Mission All India Rank 1 batch course in 3 different languages. We have Hindi, English and bilingual batches. And this batch course is starting from 1st September. So this will be a 70 hours course for 360-degree coverage of current affairs in a very effective manner. We will be covering entire current affair of last one year or 1.5 years. And this will be beneficial for those students also who are preparing for 2021 attempt. Okay, so we will be covering current affairs from the Hindu newspaper, Indian Express, PIB, PRS, Budget, Economic Survey, India Yearbook, etc. All these sources we are going to cover, all the important current affairs from the perspective of prelims and mains. If you're interested, do not delay in subscribing today. And also you can use our code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your plus subscription. आप ये कोड यूज कर सकते हो ARPITA10 ताकि आपको 10% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाए आपके प्लस के सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. The link is given below in the description box. You can subscribe today because from 1st September the batches will start. When we talk about Veer Savarkar ji, we should know that he was a very staunch patriot. He lived for the mother nation, India. And he was attracted towards radical views. Radical means logical views. He was against superstitions. He was against blindfolded, walking on the path of any leader. He was against the irrational views. He was in favor of radical logical views and movements. He was a very fierce and very strong orator. And he also advocated for the use of Hindi as national language. इनका मानना था हिंदी को national language बनाना चाहिए. चाहे अनटचेबिलिटी हो या फिर कास्ट बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो, ये बिल्कुल उसके अगेंस्ट थे और लड़ाई किया करते थे. He was also arrested by Britishers many a times. Now it is said that from February 1966 he gave up consuming food, water and medicines. According to him, giving up life when one was no longer useful to society was better than waiting for death. इनका मानना था कि जब आप की सोसाइटी के काम ना आ सको ना, तो आप डेथ का इंतजार करे बिना खुद ही अपनी लाइफ पहले ही खत्म कर लो. तो इन्होंने फास्ट करना शुरू कर दिया. इन्होंने बोला कि अब मैं एज हो गई है, अब मैं नई सोसाइटी के काम आ सकता. तो इन्होंने एक फास्ट कर लिया, मतलब खाना पीना दवाई सब छोड़ दिया. बोल दिया कि मैं ऐसे मैं मरने का इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. ऐसी लाइफ तो फिर बेकार है अगर मैं सोसाइटी के काम नहीं आ पा रहा हूँ. सो ही डाइड ऑन Feb 26, 1966. Now in 2003 his portrait was also unveiled in the Indian Parliament. Now I am going to write down some of his greatest works. Write it down over here. Please इसको लिख लो, ये prelims के लिए important है. Some of the works of Savarkar ji. First is काले पानी. He wrote काली पानी. Second, he wrote My Transportation. Write it down. My Transportation. These are the famous works by Veer Savarkar ji for life. Then the next important book that he wrote was Hindu Rashtra Darshan. Hindu Rashtra Darshan. He also wrote, write it down, Mazi Janmathep. He wrote 6 glorious epochs of Indian history. These are some of his wonderful works that he left for all of us. So this was all about Veer Savarkar ji. Okay. So I hope this lecture is helpful for all of you. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको आज का lecture अच्छा लगा हो. If you really enjoyed this lecture, do let me know in the comment section.